Today's lesson is over complex fraction. The goal is you have to simplify problems involving complex fractions. Now, this is a term that's going to look and sound complicated. It really is not. So let's dive into it. Little vocabulary review. Main term we're going to look at today is reciprocal. This is the word that means the flip of any number, and the product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. So the following pairs of numbers are reciprocals. We've got 8 and 1 over 8, because we know that 8 is 8 over 1. So that and 1/8 are the same, 2/3 and 3/2. Negative 5/9, negative 9/5. So negatives don't affect this. And if you guys were to go ahead and multiply each pair of numbers together, you would get a solution of 1. And just to prove that to you, 8 over 1 times 1 over 8. These cancel out. We have all 1s equals 1. 2/3 and 3/2. Again, we can factor out 3's, factor out 2. I'm going fast, I know, but no matter what we do, the answer is 1. Then negative 5/9 and negative 9/5. Well, we know negative times a negative equals a positive, and our 5's and 9's all cancel out to 1's. So 1 is always the product. So my board is going slow here. Move this up. And as a reminder, the fraction bar always means division. So any fraction problem we get is really just a division problem. So let's go ahead and look at what a complex fraction is. It's a fraction in which the numerator and or denominators are fractions. Let's look at fraction over a fraction. We never want to leave final answers as complex fractions. We always simplify them by dividing, since that fraction bar tells us to divide. So right here, we have 1/3, let me make this stand out a little more, over 4/9. Looks complicated, right? Fraction over a fraction. All it means, really moving slow today, all it means is 1/3 divided by 4/9. So let's rewrite the problem using that division sign. That's all this is. So all we have to do now is follow our division steps. So we keep the first one the same. Division becomes multiplication. Flip that second fraction. So 3/9, we know we can simplify that. And this becomes 3/4. That's all a complex fraction is. So a couple examples. Negative 4/7 divided by, right, there's that divided by sign, 12/49. So let's go ahead and rewrite that. And then we're going to keep the first one the same and flip over the second one. And 4 and 12 can simplify, 1 and 3. 7 and 49 simplify, 1 and 7. We have a negative and a positive, so the answer is negative. And we have 7/3. Or we can call that negative 2 and 1/3. Now this other one is covered up by accordion tool. And you scroll up a little bit. We've got negative 3/8 divided by negative 9/32. So we know to make the division sign into multiplication and flip the second one over. We have a negative times a negative, the answer is going to be positive. Simplify this, divide both by 8, we have 1 and 4. Factor that, we get 1 and 3. For a final answer of 4/3, let me scroll down. 4/3 or 1 and 1/3. All right, try a couple on your own as I go through. I'd like you to pause the video here and see if you can do these. Negative 11/15 divided by negative 22/45. And multiplication, flip the second one. Factor out 11, so we have 1 and 2. Factor out 15, so you have 1 and 3. 2 negatives makes it a positive, so our answer here is 3/2, or 1 and 1/2. Now we have 8/27 divided by negative 5/18. So 8/27 times negative 18/5. Doesn't matter where the negative sign goes. Divide both of these by 9. So we get 3 and 2. For an answer of negative 16/15, or negative 1 and 1/15. Alright, finally, how about a challenge problem? We have 1/6 plus 1/4 divided by 2/3. So order of operations here, it's almost like our top fraction, those are grouped. I need to pick back up after Ella interrupted this video, so let's go ahead and do the numerator part. 1/6 plus 1/4. So, common denominator we need to find is 12. We should know this by now. 1/6 becomes 2/12. 1/4 becomes 3/12. Add them up, we get 5/12. So that's all we're adding to this problem is just a simplification step of addition. So now this becomes 5/12 over 2/3. So rewrite it to a more familiar form. 5/12 divided by 2/3. We know to flip and multiply. So 5/12 times 3/2. Simplify out of 3. Leaves us with 5/8. This concludes your lesson over complex fractions.